Meteorologist Eric Alf back with us to talk about the weather. We've been seeing some cloudy conditions today.
Yes, we have.
A little bit different from the sun we've been seeing in the past few days as well.
Yeah, like Saturday was a beautiful day. We had temperatures in the 80s. Remember that? Lots of sunshine.
Absolutely.
Yeah, today, though, a little bit different, right?
Yep.
Yeah. At least we haven't had a lot of rain, though, right? At least
that's good.
Yeah, it is good. Yeah.
Hopefully that will stay that way, too, as well.
Yeah, I think a generally dry day, but you could run into a passing shower or a thunderstorm, so there's that threat. But overall, not bad of a day. Ocean City, though, does show the cloudy skies out there. We'll take a live look at that. So we do have the cloudy skies. It's also humid out there, but not a lot of rain. And that was kind of the expectation. Today it wasn't going to be a washout, just a few isolated and widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. We got a few 70s on the board, though. 72 in Cambridge, 69 degrees right there in Salisbury. A little bit cooler by Ocean City, reporting a temperature of 64 degrees. The main driver behind our weather is this swirling upper level low pressure system to our west, and that's driving all of this moisture northward. So that's why we have a lot of clouds, some showers and a few thunderstorms, and the humid conditions as well. Right now in Delmarva, I mean, you just can't find any ray of sunshine. A little bit of blue sky off the coastline, but not in Delmarva. And right now, the most we've been dealing with is just a few sprinkles. A bit more activity west of the bay, though, with more in the way of scattered showers, a few downpours and thunderstorms. That's actually also where the greatest threat for maybe a potential severe thunderstorm will be. Potential for damaging wind gusts, maybe some hail. A lower end threat for maybe a pop-up thunderstorm to become a bit strong, maybe some gusty winds, small hail, but the threat for that I think is really low, especially because of all the clouds that we're seeing, not be able to get that atmosphere destabilized. But the humidity itself could provide enough instability perhaps for a pop-up shower or a thunderstorm. But again, I think the greatest threat for that is going to be west of the bay. And I think most of us will be dry, and I would not be surprised if a lot of us pretty much end up with no rain for the rest of the day. That's how low kind of the rain chance is for the rest of the day. Could be a passing shower or a thunderstorm tonight as well, but look at what happens by the time we get to Tuesday. We turn mostly sunny, but it's going to be one of those cases once again where there's a low but a non-zero threat for maybe a pop-up shower or a downpour or a thunderstorm. I can't rule that out, but I'd say there's about a 10 to 20% chance of that happening. However, I can confidently say that Wednesday itself will be a totally dry day with mostly sunny skies as this upper level low pivots away from us. But then a new upper level low approaches the region by the time we get to Friday. So it looks fairly cloudy and there could be at least a few showers before it looks like there's still consensus that this upper level low, the second upper level low, pivots away from our region by the time we get to Saturday. So while there will be some showers, specifically I think Thursday night and potentially into Friday morning with a lot of clouds, I think there's some hope that by Saturday and especially by Sunday, which is Mother's Day, we should be getting some nice dry weather into the region. So certainly some good news for the Mother's Day weekend. But today we'll be in the 70s, mostly cloudy skies, the chance for an isolated shower, maybe a thunderstorm as well. The same thing for tonight. Can't rule out a passing shower or a thunderstorm. Just like this morning, we had a few showers and a thunderstorm pass through. I certainly can't rule that out tonight. Temperatures will be dropping into the 60s. I think the sky will be mostly sunny on Tuesday. A slight chance, maybe a 10 to 20% chance that you see a shower or a thunderstorm during the afternoon, but Wednesday will be dry. Thursday, a bit more clouds. We'll see some of those showers move in later in the day, some rain overnight. And into Friday, I think mainly a morning situation for Friday, and the rest of the day should be mostly cloudy, but I think we'll get some clearing by Saturday. The day will remain dry, and then Mother's Day looks really great right now. We got mostly sunny skies and high temperatures rising into the mid-70s. Not looking bad at all, Blake.